And joining us now direct from their offices in Los Angeles is Mr. Warren Wang. He is the CEO of ChineseInvestors.com Incorporated. CIIX is their stock symbol. Warren, welcome back to the program.
Don, glad to be here.
Well, Warren, what's new with the company since you and I last spoke?
My auditor chief came to my office on Monday. We have a great discussion on Monday afternoon, and we are going to have a 10K release shortly, hopefully by end of the Friday, and then we will have a press release. Since when we do the recording, we didn't release yet, so I cannot tell you the number. But the only thing I can tell you from three main sections sector we are involved with: subscription, advertising on our financial portal, also the CBD biotech. It's all growing fantastically. I would like to say. Also, during the last 12 months, we finished application. We submitted application to the FINRA. Our Donald Capital got established. We own 24.99%. It's great synergy. Connect with our platform and with Chinese investors. So this is one of the milestone to the shareholders. Also, I would like to say we decide to close the Forex and crypto platform since we don't have much actions going on in this area. Also, the limited budget. Our focus, we shift the focus purely on the CBD, biotech, and equity investment, educations, advertising business. So I'm telling you a couple of good part, also telling you some negative part because the blockchain and crypto business is not a valid business model for us at this moment. So I just try to recap what's happening in the 2019 physical year, and we're looking forward to seeing great, fabulous, outcome for 2020.
I know there's been a lot of volatility in the stock price. Can you comment on recent stock activity?
Sure, that's IHK. A lot of investors really, especially our old shareholders, really worry about stock price. So every day I was talked or called, mentioned by the shareholders, say what's going on, what happened to your stocks, why they're keeping going lower. I would like to say so far we didn't do any bad financing at this moment. Secondly, our business model running good. We just try to cut the budget, make sure we limit our loss, and then we can raise more cash to fund the CBD biotech currently on the PPM process and is going to spin out next year. So there's nothing really there's no action on this our stocks. I think the main reason is some shareholders lost patience or they need a fund right away. So every day I saw like $10,000-$20,000 worth of trading activity, which is nothing major. All I like to say is we need to show improve ourselves. Show we are a growth company. We also have a very sustained business model for CBD cosmetic strategy. Like I said in last week in our Wall Street Weekly, after 3 months discussion with my team, people, we decided to really focus on the cosmetic side. First of all, it's growing sector. Secondly, wine business and wholesale wine business is not generating enough profit to sustain our business, sustain our business growth. So we decided to focus on Chinese cosmetics, CBD cosmetics product line as our major products for CBD biotech. Also, we got very encouraged by the news. One Canadian public trading company decided to acquire the U.S. CBD cosmetic luxury line, Lord Jones, which is very exciting from August 5th news. So I think after the 2020 New Year, we might submit our S1 filing to SEC. That's our main focus, our efforts right now.
ChineseInvestors.com Incorporated, CIIX. Warren, thanks so much for a great update.
Thank you, Donald.